Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your face on any video on Android devices. So if you are looking for a fun way to edit your videos, you can do it by changing your face look like. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the latest video face changer apps on Android to replace faces in any video quickly and easily. So what you need to do is just find the app first, go to the Play Store, and in here I'm using this Reface applications. Actually there are lots of other options, but I'm using this one. So you can just download and install it on your phone, and once the install process is finished, you can just tap on open. So this is the Reface app. Tap on let's start. View avatar, you can just click on continue, and tap on get started. Okay, agree first and get started. Okay, so once the app is set up, you can just close this first. Okay, so this is the Reface app. So what you need to do is just find the face swap options, this one. You can click on this swap faces on your own content, so just click on plus and then choose the videos that you want to swap its face. You can tap on continue. Apparently the one before is a pro, so let's just try to use another one. I'm going to swap this video into the photo or the face on my gallery here. Let's try to use this one. Tap on swap fast, go to the gallery and choose the face. So I'm going to find one in here. Okay, let's try to use this ones right here. Click on a face that you want to and tap on confirm. Click on swap face, and now the Reface will try to swapping the face. You can just wait until the results came out. Okay, so now this is the result. So you can just save it in here to download the video. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.